Applying for Social Security disability benefits can be a complex and overwhelming process, especially when you're already dealing with a disability that affects your ability to work. At Cornell Injury Law, we're here to provide clarity and help you navigate the process. Below, we've answered some of the most frequently asked questions about Social Security disability to help guide you through this journey. What is Social Security disability? Social Security disability, SSD, is a federal program that provides financial assistance to people who are unable to work due to a disability. To qualify, your disability must be severe enough to prevent you from working and must be expected to last for at least 1 year or result in death. This program provides monthly payments to help cover living expenses while you're unable to work. Who qualifies for Social Security disability? To qualify for SSD, you must meet 2 main requirements. You need to have worked and paid Social Security taxes for a certain number of years, and you must have a medical condition that meets the Social Security Administration's SSA definition of a disability. The severity and nature of your condition will be evaluated to determine if you meet the SSA's criteria. You also must be unable to perform substantial gainful activity, meaning that you cannot earn above a certain income level due to your disability. What types of conditions qualify for Social Security disability? There are many conditions that may qualify for SSD, including physical conditions such as back injuries, heart disease, and neurological disorders, as well as mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. The SSA has a comprehensive list of medical conditions called the Blue Book that outlines which conditions meet their disability criteria. However, even if your condition is not specifically listed, you may still qualify if it is severe enough to prevent you from working. How do I apply for Social Security disability? The process of applying for SSD begins by submitting an application to the Social Security Administration, which can be done online, over the phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. The application requires detailed medical records, a work history, and other documentation of your condition. Many initial claims are denied, which is why it's crucial to work with an experienced attorney who can ensure that your application is complete and accurate, giving you the best chance of approval. What happens if my initial claim is denied? It's unfortunately common for Social Security disability claims to be denied, even if you have a valid case. If your claim is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision. The appeal process can be lengthy and complex, but with the right legal support, you can increase your chances of success. An experienced attorney can guide you through the process, gather additional evidence, and represent you at hearings to ensure that your case is heard. How long does it take to get approved for Social Security disability? The approval process for Social Security disability can take anywhere from a few months to a year or more. Many factors affect the timeline, including the complexity of your case, the volume of applications being processed, and whether additional information or evidence is needed. If your claim is denied, the appeal process can extend the timeline further. Having an attorney assist with your case can help speed up the process and ensure that you don't miss any critical deadlines. How much can I receive from Social Security disability? The amount you can receive from Social Security disability varies based on your earnings history and how much you've paid into Social Security over the years. The SSA calculates your benefits using a formula based on your average lifetime earnings. You can get an estimate of your monthly benefit amount using the SSA's online calculator, but the actual amount will be determined once your claim is approved. Short 7 ends here. If you're considering applying for Social Security disability or your claim has already been denied, don't wait. Contact Cornell Injury Law today for a free consultation. We'll help you understand your rights, navigate the application or appeal process, and work hard to get you the benefits you deserve.